Today, we're unveiling one of the biggest shifts in how you'll work in Framer moving forward. Framer has always been the fastest way to go from an idea to a live site, if you're starting right in Framer. But sometimes you just want to explore. You need to iterate a lot and get feedback before you commit to a direction. This year, whether you've noticed it or not, we've been shipping critical updates to our design experience. Completely revamped vector editing, perfect for creating beautiful icons, editing existing SVGs, along with creating and managing large icon sets. Totally re-engineered image and asset exporting, so that things you make in Framer can easily go anywhere in whatever format or scale you need. We added support for P3 colors, gradients, and animation, so you can take full advantage of modern displays with richer, more vibrant visuals. We shipped small quality of life improvements, like the scale tool for quickly resizing complex compositions without wrecking layout or spacing. We continue to build out curated font and icon collections, providing high-quality defaults that make good design the path of least resistance. And with real 3D transforms, Framer gives you native CSS depth and perspective with nesting that just works. However, despite all these foundational releases, at the end of the day, ideation and exploration has still mostly been happening in Figma, which means imperfect imports to Framer, lots of back and forth between tools, and a slower, less enjoyable experience for everyone involved. So today, that changes.
In the past, if I wanted to explore different ideas in Framer, I had to create separate web pages, each one locked into its own breakpoints and structure. That made it really difficult to create iterations or variations of a design side by side. And if you've ever tried doing this in other web builders, you know it's really difficult, if not impossible. They just don't have the fidelity or creative tools to support real design exploration. But Framer is different. With design pages, I now have a freeform canvas built for exploring multiple ideas at a time, so I can try different layouts, typography, and visuals all in Framer. No messy imports, exports, or redundant frames, just a clean workspace with all of the design tools I might need. And with all of my explorations in design pages, I can easily compare, test smaller, bold changes, or even branch into a completely new direction without losing momentum. I can actually see Joseph's in there right now messing with one of the designs.
Yeah, I'm just tweaking the headline placement here. The cool thing is I can do this live while Justin's walking through, so exploration and feedback can happen at the same time. No exporting, no waiting for a new file. We're both right here, making it happen now.
Exactly. It's nice because every variation lives right here, side by side, all in one place. I really like this version that Joseph just put together, so let's promote it to a web page. I'll right-click on the design, hit Create Web Page, and just like that, we now have a real web page where we can start adding our breakpoints, turning the visual exploration into a fully responsive web design in just a few clicks. The nice thing is, the original doesn't go away. It's still in design pages with the rest, so we can always come back and revisit later. And design pages go beyond the web. You can just as easily use them for social images, organizing icon sets, or even style guide explorations. The kind of work that usually gets scattered across different tools, now all in Framer. Also, we understand that setting up grids, spacing, and layout rules can take time. Time you'd rather spend exploring brand visuals, typography, and style. You know, the fun stuff. So we made sure Wireframer worked seamlessly with design pages. Let's jump back over to Joseph, who has an example ready for us to check out.
So I just asked Wireframer to create 3 simple portfolio page designs in dark mode. Instantly, it started creating them, placing each layout side by side on the canvas, and letting me know what it's doing every step of the way. In the end, I've got 3 unique layouts ready to iterate and make my own. No blank canvas, no wasted time. And that's what makes Wireframer and design pages such a good combo. You get a quick start and a few solid directions to explore and start shaping into something real.
Okay, let's recap for a second. Design pages are all about freedom of exploration, speed of execution, and keeping everything in one place. But there's something we haven't told you yet. You see, while others offer free plans that are extremely limited and make it harder for you to just design and collaborate and get stuff done, we've made design pages completely, totally, 100% free. Not just like a few free projects and then you have to pay free. It's just free. Unlimited projects, unlimited design pages inside projects, there's no catch. Think about what this unlocks. Agencies can finally show proof of work inside Framer with every iteration visible. Solo designers can start a project as casually as a mood board and then promote the winning direction to a web page in a single click. Teams can comment, mention, and co-edit explorations live together. And when you don't know where to begin, Wireframer inside design pages gives you multiple layouts instantly. No blank canvas, just momentum. We're confident you'll be spending a lot more time in Framer, a lot earlier in your process, and we can't wait to see what you build. So go get started, and as always, we'll see you on the internet.